There are several examples of ancient high-tech walls that were built using advanced technology for their time. Here are some notable examples. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, tamped earth, wood, and other materials, generally built along an east to west line across the historical northern borders of China. The construction of the Great Wall began in the 7th century BC, but most of the wall that still exists today was built during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. The wall was constructed using advanced techniques, such as the use of mortar and sophisticated brickwork, as well as the deployment of advanced military technology, including watchtowers, signal towers, and beacons. The Walls of Cusco. The Walls of Cusco are part of the Inca Empire's impressive system of architecture and engineering. The walls were built by the Inca people in the 15th century using a technique called ashlar, which involves cutting and fitting stones together perfectly, without the use of mortar. The walls were constructed with such precision that they have withstood numerous earthquakes, including a major one in 1950. The Walls of Babylon. The Walls of Babylon were built by the Babylonians in the 6th century BC using advanced engineering techniques, such as the use of mud bricks and asphalt to create a watertight barrier, and the incorporation of moats and other defensive structures. The walls were so thick and high that they were considered impregnable, and they played a crucial role in the defense of the city against invading armies. The Walls of Jericho. The Walls of Jericho are a series of defensive walls that were built around the ancient city of Jericho, which is believed to be one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. The walls were built in the 8th millennium BC using a technique called Cyclopean masonry, which involves the use of massive stone blocks that are precisely cut and fitted together without the use of mortar. The walls were also built with a complex system of defensive features, including towers and gatehouses. Overall, these examples demonstrate the remarkable engineering skills and advanced technologies of ancient civilizations, and the enduring legacy of their impressive walls and fortifications. Thanks for watching.